Hi guys, I'm Chris Dixon. We are here with Info Weather. Sorry that part 1 of our video got cut off. This is part 2 here. I'm just going to go through our list of our few selected locations to tell you guys how much snow they're going to get. So Kingston, Massachusetts is going to get 21 to 33 inches. Barnstable, Massachusetts, 9 to 15 inches. Newfields, New Hampshire, 15 to 23 inches. Providence, Rhode Island, 2 to 3 feet. Newport, Rhode Island, 23 to 34 inches. Boston, Massachusetts, 26 to 34 inches. Hartford, Connecticut, 22 to 32 inches. Willimantic, Connecticut, 18 to 29 inches. Chicopee, Massachusetts, 19.5 to 29.5 inches. Now that's a pretty large amount, and they're only on a winter weather warning instead of a blizzard warning, so there is a difference. It's just the winds that go along with it. It has nothing to do with the amount of snowfall, and I did that to prove that point there. Now, Falmouth, Maine is 13 to 21 inches, Augusta, Maine, 12 to 20 inches, and 6 Mile Falls, Maine, 14 to 21 inches. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania is going to get 9.5 to 18.5 inches. They're also only on a winter weather warning. Trenton, New Jersey is going to get a foot to 21 inches. They're only on a winter weather warning as well. Allentown, Pennsylvania, 7.5 to 11.5 inches. They're also only on a winter weather warning. And Mount Freedom, New Jersey is 14 to 22 inches. They're also only on a winter weather warning, not necessarily a blizzard warning. And Newark, New Jersey is going to get 18 to 28 inches, as that is a large amount. Manhattan, New York, and Riverhead, New York, and Rego Park, New York, are all going to get somewhere between 18.5 and 32 inches of snow. That's all down in Long Island and the rest of New York there. The whole area of that southern part of New York, Long Island, and the main section of New York City, they are under a special weather statement. The first band of snow has reached them 1 to 2 inches per hour, and the afternoon commute to get home from work will be affected. So I spoke too soon in part 1 when I said later tonight. No, it is starting right now. Take cover, take shelter, make sure you have 3 days supply of food and water, and be ready to hunker down.